Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Lee and I'm here to show you how to sum values in rows and columns in Excel. There are multiple ways to add values in cells, but the method we will show you is the most straightforward and the quickest. Let's get started. Here's a table with some data on sales of individual people for certain quarters. We'll use this table to demonstrate how the sum works. Let's say we want to total the sales for Q1 or quarter 1. We'll click into cell C11 where we want to sum the sales. We'll find the Home tab, then the Editing section and select Auto Sum. Excel automatically marks the cells which you might want to add up. If you need to change the range of these cells, click into the top right hand corner of the selected group and change the range as needed. In this case, we want to total all the sales, so we'll leave the marked area as it is from C3 up to C10 and press enter. And there it is, the sum of all the sales for quarter 1 or Q1. If you want Excel to calculate the sum for the rest of the quarters, you can simply click on the cell where the sum for Q1 has been calculated, hover over the bottom right hand corner of the cell and drag the formula across the rest of the columns. You can use the same way to add up values in rows, which represent sales of individual people for all quarters. To add up the first row, we'll click on the cell G3 under the column Total and then click on Auto Sum. Press enter and we have our total sales for Paul. And we can copy the formula across the rows that need to be calculated by dragging the bottom left hand corner of the selected cell down the total column. That's it. We have summed both the columns and rows. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to receive more videos from Sheet Leveler. Watch more videos to help you use Excel like a boss. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.